guys! So may napatay na may ilaw kasi magaganto kami. Kasi na-brown out. Hindi po. Kasi one time nakakapag-video and hindi brown. Hindi na kung brown out. Hindi. Ayun guys, maabon kaya bawal di kami nalabas, di ba? Bawal kasi kami lumabas ngayon. Tsaka ito po yung dalamit, yung hawak ni ate. Today, I'll feel right. I'm a sending flowers. Lemonade to say. Lucky myself flower. Yeah. Thinking just go, I'm away. Wait lang guys. I'm a shit left. So guys, and guys, so ayun lang po yung vlog namin. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!